Hello everybody, and welcome to week 4 of the 12 and Up Summer Reading Program. I'm super excited to be with you guys today. Today we are going to be making DIY water bottle and laptop stickers off of this sheet of paper you have in your bag. You're also going to need the parchment paper, and then you'll need some scissors or just kind of something to cut out your stickers with. And then you'll want to grab just some general tape from around the house. So, I think this is probably the one that I'm the most excited for. You should see my water bottle. I probably have like 7 stickers on it. So let's just dive right in and get going. Okay, so once you have your sheet of paper here, the first thing we're going to do is pick what we want to do and just cut it out. So I have a piece of cardboard here because I'm going to do a sticker that is going to be a little bit more, like it's not just like a square or a circle, so it's going to take a little bit more finesse. So I'm just going to put it down on the cardboard with a little bit of the handy dandy tape that we have here and just kind of tape it in place. And then you just can take either a box cutter, scissors. I suggest being very, very careful with whatever you use. It is still sharp. So, and then just cut it out. Ooh. And I think I'm going to make 2 stickers today. You guys can make as few or as many as you would like. And if you have more ideas and access to a printer, I would highly suggest doing whichever idea you have, because you can make this with just about anything you can print out. Okay, and then I'm also going to take my scissors and we'll cut that off there. And I'm going to cut out my whale with a book. And for that, I just kind of want the general shape of my whale. Okay, so once you have your pictures cut out, go ahead and bring them over here, and then we're going to measure them against whatever size tape we are using. So neither of mine is wider than the tape, so that's going to work out perfectly. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our tape here, and we're going to cut off a piece bigger than what we need, like this. And we're going to just tape it down onto the wax paper. Now we're going to take our design and put it on top of that. And then we're going to take this tape and tape the design down on top, or the tape down on top of the design, so that it's all on the wax paper, like so. And then go ahead and do the same thing with your other sticker. Once you have both of your stickers taped down onto the wax paper, we're going to go ahead and cut them out. So, and make sure to leave a little bit of wax paper so we can peel it off. Okay, so here is our whale, and I'm going to use this cup here as an example. And we just go ahead and come down here and peel it up. Oh, look how nicely that came off. And you can trim up your sticker a little bit more if you'd like at this point. I had a little extra tape on the bottom of my sticker just because I needed to allow for space to be able to peel it up off. But now I can pull it off and Oh, wow, that worked really nicely, you guys. Take a look at that. All right, and now let's do the avocado. And then same thing, we're just gonna kind of generally cut it out and then come back in. And then I'm gonna leave this side with the parchment and cut around the edge of my avocado. Okay, and now we can just peel it up. Trim down the size. Oh. And add it to our cup. All right. So we have our avocado and our whale. And this was super easy, as I'm sure you guys are aware. And you can do it as many more times as you want, either with the different ideas I came up with, or if you have great ideas of your own, which I'm sure that you do, you can just print it out, cut it out, and tape it onto your cups. Well, I have a cup. I guess normally it's a water bottle or a laptop. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's summer reading program. Whew. And I will see you all again next week.